Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Yolanda Monique. It has been a while and life has been lifing, and I'm hoping I'm at a point where I can get back to doing what I love, as well as doing the just talking about my life. So I thought that talking about my PLouise, what month is this? July unboxing would, kind of get me back into the swing of things. So here's my July box. I think that is absolutely gorgeous. I would just share this with you guys. So for those of you who don't know, PLouise is a British subscription. It is normally about $40 to $45 a month. They do skincare, makeup, hair care, and then every once in a while you'll get a lifestyle product, but those are far and few between. Here is this month's box. And let's go over it. I will be honest with you, a lot of the times when they give you multiples, I end up getting shades that are not complementary to my mocha skin. And so I end up giving it to some of my coworkers. But some of them, majority of the stuff can be worn for those who have melanated skin that is a deeper tone. I'll let you know what will and will not work for my skin tone. So this is a hyaluronic acid eye gel, and it is sealed. It says start your rain, and this is smooth and firms deep hydration. And this is what it looks like. So I'm not going to open this because I do want to use this, and if I don't use it, I'll usually give it to my mom or one of my sisters. But yeah, skincare, definitely like this. Hydration eye cream, most likely if I use it, it'll be during the winter. I like that. And then I just saw that the next thing is another skincare. This is a double layer cleansing water oil. So let me open this up. And you can see this is a blue. Normally their stuff is pink, but every once in a while you get a different shade. So I'm going to keep this. I'll definitely use this. I won't use this right away because I have a few other things that they've given, or not given, I've purchased in the past. The third skincare thing that I have is hyaluronic moisturizer. But again, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to show the packaging. This is what the packaging looks like. I do love that it has this little protective, but some of it seep through so I can feel the moisture. It is very moisturizing. I don't smell anything. I haven't opened it yet, but I don't smell anything, but that does feel very moisturizing. The free sample that they put in this month's box is this right here, which is super cute. So I have tons of these little lip pencils. I'm not going to open this because I might actually give this to one of my colleagues since I have so many of these that I have not used. But I'll get closer so you can see the color. But that's it. I have several of these. So I'll leave it in the package and they'll get a lip and a lip liner. I have several lip liners. But I love that they will throw in free things every once in a while. And then the biggest thing in the box, which was bubble wrapped, is this makeup palette. That is huge. It's almost the size of my face. So here's what it looks like. And then, oops, here's that double window. Don't want to blind you, but it has mirrors on these. And then that's the palette. So definitely, oh, the shade protector fell out. It definitely blues and greens, a few of the mauvey peach tones. The bottom 6 shades on this are gorgeous. Especially that one that, I'm trying to see what the name of it is, Storm Secret. That looks amazing. I would definitely want to swatch that one. I love those shades right there. So I definitely want to give those a try. I don't want to try them if I've already had similar shades in another packet. But that is my PLouise box. I do think that it is worth the money, especially if you're wanting to build up your makeup collection and you're open to receiving things and you don't get to select the shades. I think that it's a pretty good deal. I love the packaging. That I would say they are known for their very girly, very cute aesthetic. So we just did the unboxing for the PLouise box, and the other subscription I told you guys about is Etsy, and here it is right in here, Ipsy's BoxyCharm box. So I honestly do not remember what I selected. I knew I wasn't really thrilled with this month's selection. I feel like they've been giving me more and more skincare options versus makeup options. So I'm going to have to go in and make some adjustments with this. A quick look. So there we go. This month is Hot Glow Summer. Let's go over some of the products that I received. This one is the Origins Balance Face Wash. It's supposed to be valued at $30. At least they put in a protective. Oh, and look, it's completely sealed. I love that. So I'm not sure why I selected this. I should actually do a video on when I'm selecting the products. I just lost another bulb. So we will work on this to see. But it's a frothy face wash. This best-selling cleansing easily rinses away makeup, impurities, and surface oils for skin that feels comfortably clean. Kelp extract, wheat proteins, and tourmaline work together to help purify and balance your skin, while mint essential oils leave skins feeling energized and refreshing. So this is Beauty Bio, and there it goes. And this is valued at $42, and this is a hydration booster. It has vitamin C and complex for smoothing skin. Restores the radiance to damaged discolored complexion with this boosting formula to deliver a bright, more even skin tone with vitamin C. Now that is interesting. I'll have to read up on this, on the usage and everything, but definitely will be using this. And then the next product, this one I picked because I didn't like the other option, and it is the Drunk Elephant Be Goldie Bright Drops. But like I said, this was the only viable option out of the other two that I got to choose from. And this illuminating serum features 5% niacinamide to help with even skin tone, fade dark spots, and enhance your glow with a sheer golden finish. Plus, it's packed with antioxidant-rich ingredients to nourish skin while helping to protect against free radicals. I like Drunk Elephant. I just wasn't really sure about this one, my choices. This is a lip scrub from the Toy Factory, and it's a Neopout Niacinamide Lip Serum in watermelon. It is super cute. It's a cute little pink. And, oh, it does smell like watermelon. That definitely smells like watermelon. So drench your lips in an instant and long-lasting hydration with Neopout. This perfect technological lip mask for a smooth, plumper pout. The multiple niacinamide-infused watermelon dream nourishes, softens, and helps restore your dry, flaky lips. My lips are not flaky. While smoothing texture and fine lines overnight. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying this. I actually have another lip balm. And so as soon as I finish using that one up, I'll definitely go for this one. So I feel like, but again, you see how I have a lot of skincare, like give me the makeup. The last one, oh, this is, I definitely remember picking this. And this one is a perfume, and it is Rose Jane. So this is the next thing. It is, hopefully you can see that, by Rosie Jane. It is a perfume, and I did select that because I've been trying to get more into perfumes. Missy Eau de Parfum Travel Spray, but it says it's a clean scent, a vibrant blend of white flowers, tropical fruit, and fresh citrus. This fragrance is fresh, playful, and undeniably chic. The sweet yet sophisticated scent perfectly captures the essence of carefree weekends and sun-soaked escapes. Out. So this is it. That's pretty much it. I will include the cost of the box right around here so you can see how much I paid as well as the value. I just want more makeup and not skin, and that's the thing that I have an issue with, and I think that's why I like PLouise, because I know I'm going to get something makeup and so yeah, I'm definitely going to have to make a few changes on my profile so that I can get more makeup. I guess technically this would be considered makeup since it's a drop, but it's skincare because it has niacinamide. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching my unboxing of my PLouise and Ipsy box subscriptions, and I hope to see you in the next video. Please know that you are blessed and loved, and I wish you nothing but the best. Talk to you guys later.